In the vast, silent expanse of space, there are mysteries we haven't even begun to imagine. For centuries, we've pointed our telescopes at the heavens, charting stars, mapping galaxies, and searching for answers to the biggest questions. But what if the next great discovery wasn't made by a human eye, but by an artificial mind? What if an AI, sifting through mountains of data, found something we had missed? Something hiding in plain sight, concealed in the cosmic darkness? Well, that's not a what if anymore. It just happened, and it could change everything we thought we knew about our universe. Let's rewind a bit. Our universe is enormous, and most of it is completely dark. We have this concept called dark matter and dark energy, which supposedly make up about 95% of everything. We can't see them, we can't touch them, but we know they're there because of their gravitational effects on the things we can see, like stars and galaxies. It's like trying to figure out what's in a pitch-black room by watching how a single candle flame flickers. For decades, the brightest minds in astrophysics have been trying to get a better look into that dark room. They've built incredible telescopes, launched sophisticated satellites, and run complex simulations. But the darkness has held its secrets tight. Enter the age of artificial intelligence. AI isn't just for writing emails or creating weird art anymore. Scientists are now using it as a powerful new tool for discovery. Think of it like this. A human astronomer might spend their entire career meticulously analyzing a few hundred galaxies. An AI can do the same for millions of galaxies in a matter of hours. It can see patterns, connections, and anomalies that would be completely invisible to the human brain, which is great at some things, but not so great at processing petabytes of cosmic data. So, a team of researchers decided to unleash a specially designed AI on a massive dataset from one of the most detailed sky surveys ever conducted. Their goal was simple, yet incredibly ambitious. Find something new. They weren't looking for a specific type of star or a new kind of nebula. They just told the AI to look for anything unusual, anything that didn't fit our current models of the universe. They fed the AI information about the positions, shapes, and light from millions of distant galaxies, and basically said, go find the weird stuff. And boy, did it deliver. After churning through the data, the AI started flagging things. At first it found things we already knew about: gravitational lenses, weirdly shaped galaxies, stuff like that. It was a good sign. It meant the AI was working correctly. It was learning to distinguish the normal from the abnormal. But then, it found something else. It pointed the scientists to specific regions of space where there seemed to be nothing, just empty, black voids. But the AI insisted something was there. According to its analysis of the surrounding galaxies, there had to be massive gravitational sources lurking in those voids, bending light and pulling on everything around them. But when the scientists looked with their most powerful telescopes, they saw absolutely nothing. No stars, no gas, no light whatsoever. This was a puzzle. If it were dark matter, we'd expect it to be spread out more evenly, mixed in with the galaxies. But the AI was pointing to concentrated, isolated clumps of something that were completely dark. The researchers ran the numbers again and again. They checked the AI's code, they double-checked the telescope data. Everything was correct. The AI had found what can only be described as dark structures. Massive, galaxy-sized objects made of something that emits no light, no radiation, no energy of any kind that we can detect. They are, for all intents and purposes, invisible ghosts in the cosmic machine. So what could they be? The first and most mind-blowing possibility is that these are dark galaxies. A galaxy isn't just stars. It's a huge halo of dark matter, holding it all together. Normally, gas falls into this dark matter halo, cools down, and forms the stars we can see. But what if, in some galaxies, that process never started? What if you had a galaxy-sized clump of dark matter that just failed to ignite? It would be a ghost galaxy, a dark twin to our own Milky Way, drifting silently through the cosmos. Its existence only betrayed by the gravitational pull it exerts on its neighbors. The AI may have just given us the first ever direct evidence of their existence. This is a huge deal. It's like finding a whole new type of animal you never knew existed, but on a cosmic scale. Another theory, and this one is even wilder, is that we might be seeing the effects of primordial black holes. These aren't the regular black holes formed from collapsing stars. The theory goes that these tiny, ancient black holes were formed in the first fractions of a second after the Big Bang. They would be incredibly dense, but could be much smaller than stellar black holes. A huge swarm of these primordial black holes, clustered together by gravity, could act like a single massive object. They wouldn't emit light, and they'd be incredibly hard to detect individually, but a massive cloud of them that would create exactly the kind of gravitational signal the AI picked up. If this is true, it means we found relics from the very birth of our universe, something scientists have only dreamed of. Of course, with any groundbreaking discovery, we have to be cautious. There's always the possibility of an error, some subtle bias in the data, or a flaw in the AI's algorithm that we have unfound yet. The scientific community is buzzing with this news, and other teams around the world are already scrambling to point their own telescopes at these mysterious dark regions. They'll use different methods, different instruments, to try and confirm or deny the finding. That's how science works. One team makes a bold claim, and the rest of the community rigorously tests it. But let's just take a moment to appreciate how cool this is. We've built an artificial mind, a silicon-based intelligence, and it's looking out into the universe and showing us things we were blind to. It's a collaboration between human ingenuity and machine intelligence, pushing the boundaries of exploration. This isn't just about finding weird space objects. This could be a key to unlocking the mystery of dark matter itself. If these dark structures are real, and we can study them, we can learn about the nature of the particles that make them up. It would be like finally getting a sample from that dark room we talked about earlier. It could lead to a revolution in physics, a new understanding of the fundamental laws that govern reality. The implications are just staggering. What else is hiding out there? If there are dark galaxies, could there be dark planets? Dark life? Okay, maybe that last one is a bit of a stretch, but it highlights how discoveries like this open up a whole new universe of questions. For every answer we find, a dozen new mysteries pop up. That's the beauty of science. It's an endless journey of discovery. And now, we have a new kind of explorer on our team. An explorer that doesn't need to sleep, doesn't get tired, and can see the universe in a way no human ever could. The story is just beginning. The follow-up observations will take time, maybe years, but the first step has been taken. Thanks to an AI, we've peered into the darkness and found something staring back. Not an alien civilization, not a monster, but a fundamental piece of the cosmic puzzle that has been hiding in plain sight all along. It's a powerful reminder that the universe is far stranger, more complex, and more wonderful than we can possibly imagine. And sometimes, to see it clearly, you need a fresh pair of eyes, even if those eyes are made of code. What do you think these dark structures could be? Ghost galaxies, swarms of ancient black holes, or something else entirely that we haven't even thought of yet? Let me know your wildest theories down in the comments. This is one of those moments where speculation is half the fun. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of our universe. Stay curious.